What we have here is a sterling silver chain, which you can see is a bit tarnished, not very bright. We get a bowl, a piece of aluminum foil, shiny side up, and we line the bowl with the aluminum foil, like so. Place the chain on the foil and salt. And to this we add some baking soda and some salt. Okay? Now I'm going to be very informal about this. We need about a half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, and I'm going to use my very accurate palm measurement there. And about a tablespoon of here's a tablespoon of common Arm & Hammer or whatever brand you wish of baking soda. And again, this does not have to be perfect. Believe me, it's not perfect, okay? And now it's all covered.
And rolling.
Okay, so the next step is to take the boiling water, which we have here, and pour it gently over the whole concoction like that. And as you can see, it kind of, you can jiggle, or better yet, sort of get it to, and all of the silver is touching the aluminum foil at the bottom. Just gently stir like that. We'll come back in 5 minutes.
And rolling.
Okay, so let's strain this. Put a couple extra pieces in there. Over here. Turn on the cold water. Mix it really good. And we want to thoroughly dry it. And as you can see, we actually put an extra couple of pieces of silver in here. And this particular silver has never been cleaned before. So what we're now going to do is we're going to have it on hot, and we're going to dry it off thoroughly.
Rolling.
Okay, and it's pretty shiny. And most of the tarnish is looking like it's pretty gone. Now it's pretty shiny, catching the light better than it did before.